Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share latest job opening from Workontrix. So they are hiring for Chennai and the Chengalpattu locations. As you can see here, they have an opening for a relationship executive. So you must be any graduate with 1 to 2 years of working experience in any sales or marketing, and the candidates from former sales would be preferred, and the salary would be up to 2.6 lakhs per annum, and also they will provide allowances and incentives. So if you want to apply for this position, then you can drop your resume on this mail ID, and for more detailed information you can reach out to them with the given contact number.